guys, I wasn't gonna start vlogging yet because obviously I'm still in my pajamas. I had to because the funniest thing just happened. So I ordered pink moon boots, like neon pink moon boots, and they came, and they're so funny. Like, I literally have to show you. Also, don't mind I'm like in a meeting technically. Wait, I'm laughing at my rolled up pants. I feel like a cartoon. This is so funny. Like, at first I was like, what the fuck? But like, I've been wearing them for like 5 minutes and I'm kind of freaking out. Okay, now I need to go on a ski trip. This kind of makes up for the ones from yesterday. If you watched, I got these like cute shearling ones, but they sent me a size 11, which I'm not a size 11, I'm a size 7. So like 4 sizes too big, which I cannot keep. So I have to return those. I'll probably reorder them in like a kind of different style. I want the ones with the sneaker bottom instead. I'm sorry. These just need a moment because it's so funny. I feel like an anime cartoon character, but I love them. And then also, while we're here, I just got another package. The Low black and white dunks. I have been wanting these for so long. I'm working with Farfetch this month, and this is one of the items I picked. The other one's still coming. But I'm so excited. I've really been wanting to work with Farfetch because they have the best stuff, obviously. I really like the stuff that I picked, and I'm excited to share my code with you. I don't think I have a code yet, but as soon as I have it, I'll tell you guys, because the stuff that I got is amazing and you guys are definitely gonna wanna buy them. Anyways, I'm trying to clean up because I did not do it last night. I was way too tired. Okay, so here it is. I hung it up. I have a bunch of random shoes on the floor and in here. If you don't already know, if you didn't watch my apartment tour, which you should, I have this freaking, like, this is so scary. You guys should be scared for me. I have this situation. There's like more, I don't know. It's like impossible to find anything. So I figured I could put like at least some in here. Maybe my sneakers and then like heels and stuff. I'm gonna start putting some in. We'll see what happens. But like, this is a big issue. And like my closet is absolutely overflowing everywhere. So, I don't know, guys. Okay, I've added a few. I don't know what to put there because none of my other heels are like too tall. My only issue is that this is probably gonna protrude a little, and like this is already like overflowing. So hopefully I'm gonna be able to close the door, but I'm gonna keep putting them in and we'll see what happens. Okay, we're making progress. We've got those up there. This is nice because I was able to fit like a whole pair of shoes in like one sack. I don't know what else you would call them. We're making a lot of progress down here. We have a lot of empty room now, so we'll be able to put some boots in there. And then like these I need to find a spot for. Also, I ordered the New Balances, so I want them like probably here. So I'll leave that open for them. Now I just need to fill in those 3 and then fill in the space down there. Okay, I put a loafer. Those are too chunky to put in one. Those I like somehow managed to squeeze in one, and then another pair of sneakers. And then I put a pair of heels up there. Hopefully like that will be okay. And I have 2 spaces left for whatever I have coming in the mail. I'm feeling absolutely shocked I was able to achieve this. And then now I'm gonna fill this in. And the boots are organized. They're all able to fit in here. I literally feel very dumb that I didn't think of this earlier, because now, like, this was obviously overflowing extremely. And now I have space and everything fits in there comfortably and doesn't have to be squashed. The new moon boots have a spot. I guess I was just being dumb that I also like, please ignore. This is the next step of cleanup. I don't know if anyone cares, but I feel really, really relieved and happy. And now my stuff isn't squished. I can see everything very clearly. I don't have to like worry about getting new shoes because I have extra spaces. I have 2 extra spaces in the boots and 2 extra spaces in the sneakers, and I'm happy. Okay, I'm gonna continue cleaning this up, and then I have to do some errands. I think I have to return a couple things, so I'll bring you guys with me. Okay, I'm finally ready for the day. Like, honestly, barely, because I'm just wearing sweatpants. I'm wearing a whole green Moment. Green beanie, this Mayfair set. It's cute. It says, compassion, don't leave home without it. On the back, too. And my Adidas that I always wear. And my white bag that I also always wear. I need to go to Zara and Aritzia to return things, and I need to ship something for Poshmark. So I only have an hour until I have a meeting, so I'm gonna try to get it all done before then. So wish me luck. I've also put on a jacket because it's freaking cold. Okay, now wish me luck. Okay, please. I just went to Aritzia and it's been like literally a week since I got the blazer. You guys would know, it was in Vlogmas. And she was like, you made it just in time. And I was like, what? Like, the return policy is a week? That is so weird. I don't know, but I returned it and it was like $250. So I would have been really pissed if I couldn't return it since I like didn't end up needing it. Okay, now I've crossed the street to make my Zara returns and I hope I do not buy anything. I made it out of Zara without buying anything, which I feel like is very impressive these days. And I don't think I have enough time to go to the post office before my meeting. So I'm just gonna have to go back out afterwards because I have other returns. Constant packages, constant returns. A huge Princess Polly just arrived, which I'll show you guys afterwards.
Group that still exists today called Momofuku, if anyone's familiar, founded by the chef David Chang. Milk bars. Okay guys, I'm kind of scared because this package is freaking massive and it's so heavy. But let's see what we got in here. My Princess Polly tasks for this month are 2 TikToks. So if you see me posting a Princess Polly TikTok, give it a like. And if you don't follow me on TikTok already, you should. Okay, this is a set. It's like these knit pants. I don't know if you can see them, but it's just like knit pants. And see if I can find the top. It's like a 2-piece top. So the front is this. It's like crisscross on the front part and it's just like a tank. And then there's like a little shrug that goes over it. So this is like a whole little 3-piece knit situation. I feel like it's gonna be really cute. This top that everybody and their mother has and I have in other colors, but I wanted the black because it's just like the perfect top. You might be confused if you don't know what I'm talking about because this barely looks like a top, but it's really cute on, I promise. Ooh, these pants are gonna be interesting. You can see the color through. Wait. Fun, guys. These pants are iconic. They're like shiny pink. The front is like a V, so they're probably gonna be super flattering. And they're like, they flare out a tiny bit. I'm so excited for these. This is definitely what made it very heavy. And if you saw, I mean, you definitely saw if you're at this part of this video, but you would know that my closet is busting at the seams and I have absolutely no space for any of this. So I'm not sure where I'm gonna put it, but we'll figure that out when we get there. I got this leather jacket. It's like a cropped black leather jacket. I really liked this. I've seen some people wearing it. I really like it because the hardware is all black. The one I have now has silver hardware. I feel like sometimes is annoying because like I don't want it to be silver hardware. I don't know. This one's really cute. It's like super good quality too, so if you need a black leather jacket, definitely get this one. I forgot I have a code. I'll tell you guys the code too. And then I liked that jacket so much that I got it in brown. This one does have silver hardware. I'm now noticing, which is fine. But I just really like that black one with the black hardware. I thought it was cool and I don't usually see them like that. So this is just the exact same thing in brown. Super cute. I like that they're cropped too. And again, very thick. Like these will be good for going out. The one I have right now is like way thinner. So I get cold. We have one more thing. This one is a puffer.
It's like, I thought it was cool because it's like all ruched and it's like light pink. Super cute. Love. I feel like this will just be like a cute, like baggy, fun jacket. Anyways, my code this month is, let's check. They changed it. XOKLEAM. XOKLEAM. So that's the end of my haul. I'm probably doing nothing. It's like 6 o'clock now. I'm probably doing nothing the rest of this night. I need to put this away somewhere. Where I put it away, we'll see. I have no clue. But I need to put it away, and then I need to edit 2 vlogs. This one and the one, oh gosh, I'm like 3 vlogs behind. I'm really behind, guys. I don't know what's happened to me, but I need to edit a lot of vlogs, and I'll be doing that all night, so you're probably not gonna see me anymore in this video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.